Hello, this is Dr. Samuel Adebayo, your guide to a world of opportunities. Today we're embarking on a fascinating journey to uncover lucrative side hustles in the rapidly growing AI industry. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is not just a buzzword, it's a reality that's reshaping our world, transforming businesses and creating a new frontier of opportunities. It's more than an industry, it's a revolution that's driving the economy of the future. And in this revolution, you don't have to be a bystander. You can be a participant, a contributor, a beneficiary. From freelancing to online businesses, from digital marketing to tech jobs, the AI industry is teeming with side hustles that can turn into a significant source of income, if not a full-fledged career. So buckle up and get ready for an exciting ride. Stay tuned as we dive into the world of AI and explore lucrative side hustle opportunities. To begin, we must first understand what AI is. Artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly known, is a powerful technology that mimics human intelligence. It's like having a digital brain that can learn, reason, perceive, and even make decisions, all without human intervention. It's not a robot that will take over the world, but a tool that's being used to make our lives easier and more efficient. Imagine if you could teach a computer to play chess, and then it could play chess better than any human. That's AI. It's a machine learning from experience and improving over time. It's not just about playing games, though. AI is being used in a vast array of industries, from healthcare to finance, from transportation to entertainment. It's helping doctors diagnose diseases, it's helping banks detect fraud, it's helping cars drive themselves, and it's even helping to create more realistic special effects in movies. The importance of AI cannot be overstated. It's transforming the way we live and work, and its influence is only going to grow. It's estimated that by 2030, AI could add up to $15 trillion to the global economy. That's more than the current output of China and India combined. AI is not just a trend, it's a revolution. And like any revolution, it's creating opportunities. Opportunities for businesses to improve their products and services, opportunities for workers to upskill and find new jobs, and opportunities for entrepreneurs to create new businesses. But here's the thing. To seize these opportunities, you need to understand AI. You need to know what it is, how it works, and how it's being used. You need to be able to separate the hype from the reality, and you need to be able to see the potential where others see only threats. Now that we've understood AI, let's move on to how you can leverage this knowledge. Artificial intelligence is not just for tech giants, anyone can benefit from it. Take a moment and let that sink in. Yes, you heard it right. The AI industry is no longer a closed-off arena for the tech-savvy elite. It's a burgeoning sphere of opportunities for anyone who's willing to learn and adapt. Let's dive into some of the side hustles that you can explore in this exciting industry. First off, we have freelancing. AI is a broad field with a myriad of specialties. You could choose to specialize in machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, or any other AI subfield. As a freelancer, you can offer your expertise to businesses and help them implement AI solutions. You can find numerous platforms online where you can advertise your services and connect with potential clients. Next up, consider becoming an AI consultant. Many businesses are eager to leverage AI but are unsure about how to go about it. That's where you come in. As a consultant, you can guide businesses on how to integrate AI into their operations, help them understand the potential benefits, and even assist in overcoming any challenges they may face during the implementation process. How about digital marketing? AI is revolutionizing the way businesses market their products and services. By leveraging AI, digital marketers can analyze consumer behavior, personalize marketing efforts, and improve customer engagement. If you have a knack for marketing and a curiosity for AI, this could be your ticket to a lucrative side hustle. And let's not forget AI education. With the growing interest in AI, there's a high demand for educators who can demystify this complex field and make it accessible to the masses. If you're knowledgeable in AI and have a knack for teaching, you could create online courses, write ebooks, or even host webinars. These are just a few examples, but the AI industry is vast and full of opportunities. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, there's a place for you in the world of AI. You just need to take that first step. So, are you ready to take the leap? You might be wondering, how can I get started? Well, let's dive right into it. Starting a side hustle in the AI industry isn't as complex as it may sound. It's all about learning the ropes, being resourceful, and staying persistent. It's a journey that begins with acquiring the right skills. AI is a broad field, so it's important to narrow down your focus. You could specialize in machine learning, data analysis, robotics, or natural language processing, among others. Each of these areas has its own set of skills and tools you need to master. To acquire these skills, there are numerous resources available online. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and edX offer a plethora of AI-related courses. Some are even offered by top-tier universities like Stanford and MIT. When choosing a course, consider the complexity level, the course content, and the reviews by other learners. Remember, the goal isn't just to learn, but to become proficient. Having the right skills isn't enough, though. You need to demonstrate your proficiency to potential clients or employers. This is where building a portfolio comes in. Use what you've learned to create projects that showcase your skills. These could be anything from a machine learning model that predicts stock prices to a chatbot that can carry out customer service tasks. The key is to ensure that your projects are relevant to the area you want to specialize in. Once you've built a solid portfolio, it's time to find work. There are various platforms where you can find AI-related jobs or gigs. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are popular among freelancers. LinkedIn is also a great platform for finding job opportunities. It's all about showcasing your skills and connecting with the right people. While searching for jobs, don't limit yourself to just one platform. Diversify your search to increase your chances of landing a gig, and remember, rejection is part of the process. Don't get discouraged if you don't land a job on your first try. Keep applying and improving your skills. Networking is another important aspect of getting started. Connect with other professionals in the AI field. Attend webinars, join online communities, and participate in AI-related events. You never know, your next job opportunity might come from a connection you made at a webinar. Creating a side hustle in the AI industry also requires a certain level of commitment. You need to dedicate time to learning, networking, and applying for jobs. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a journey that requires persistence and grit. And lastly, keep up with the latest trends in AI. The field is constantly evolving, and staying updated will give you a competitive edge. Getting started is the first step towards your AI side hustle journey. So what are you waiting for? Dive in, learn, create, connect, and before you know it, you'll be part of the exciting world of AI. Many have found success in the AI industry, and so can you. From the coffee shops of San Francisco to the bustling tech hubs of Bangalore, there are countless stories of individuals who've transformed their lives with a side hustle in the AI industry. Let's delve into a few of these tales and see how they may inspire your own journey. First up is the story of Tina, a software engineer from Austin, Texas. Tina had always been interested in AI, but she had never really considered it as a possible income stream until she stumbled upon a course on machine learning. She started spending her evenings and weekends learning the ropes, and before long she was freelancing as a machine learning consultant. Today she's tripled her income and she's working with clients from all over the world. Then there's the story of Raj, a data analyst from Mumbai. Raj had always been fascinated by the potential of AI, but he wasn't sure how to turn this passion into a profitable venture. That all changed when he discovered a niche in the market for customized AI solutions for small businesses. He started developing AI tools in his spare time, and soon he launched his own company. Within 2 years, his company had become one of the leading AI solution providers in India. But it's not just tech professionals who are finding success in the AI industry. Consider the story of Sarah, a high school teacher from London. Sarah had no background in tech, but she was interested in AI and its potential to revolutionize education. She decided to take an online course on AI, and within a few months, she was using AI to create personalized learning plans for her students. Today, she's making a significant side income by selling her AI-powered learning tools to other schools. Finally, let's look at the story of Kwame, a business consultant from Lagos. Kwame saw the potential of AI in transforming businesses in Africa. He started offering AI consulting services, helping businesses to implement AI solutions. Today, Kwame is recognized as one of the leading AI experts in Africa, and his consulting services are in high demand. These stories are just a few examples of the countless people who have found success with a side hustle in the AI industry. They come from diverse backgrounds and have different stories to tell, but they all share a common thread. They saw a potential in AI, They equipped themselves with the necessary skills, and they took action. Success in the AI industry is achievable. It all starts with taking the first step. The AI industry is a goldmine of opportunities waiting to be tapped. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive guide to finding lucrative side hustles in the ever-growing and ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence. Let's take a moment to recap the key points we've covered in this video. Firstly, we delved into understanding AI. We saw how this groundbreaking technology is not just about robots and high-tech machinery, it's about using data, algorithms, and computing power to create systems that can learn, reason, perceive, infer, communicate, and make decisions. In essence, AI is about augmenting human intelligence and capabilities. From there, we explored the various AI side hustles you can venture into. We talked about machine learning consultancy, AI content creation, data annotation, AI ethics consulting, and even AI-powered digital marketing. Each of these side hustles presents a unique opportunity to leverage your skills and passions and to make a significant income while at it. Then we discussed how to get started in these AI side hustles. We emphasized the importance of learning and staying updated on AI trends, building a strong network, and demonstrating your skills through projects and portfolios. The AI industry is a competitive one, and standing out requires commitment and a continuous pursuit of knowledge and experience. We also shared success stories of individuals who have carved a niche for themselves in the AI industry. Their stories serve as a testament to the fact that with the right mindset, skills, and determination, anyone can succeed in this industry. As we wrap up, it's important to reiterate the potential of AI and how it's shaping the future of work. According to a report by PwC, AI could contribute up to $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. That's more than the current output of China and India combined. This staggering figure underscores the vast opportunities that lie within the AI industry. Moreover, AI is not just transforming the way we work, it's also revolutionizing the way we live. From smart homes to autonomous vehicles, AI is permeating every aspect of our lives. As such, venturing into AI side hustles not only offers a chance to earn a lucrative income, but also to contribute to a technology that's shaping the future. But remember, the first step to tapping into this goldmine of opportunities is to take action. Start today. Learn about AI. Identify a side hustle that aligns with your skills and interests. Build your network. Showcase your skills. And most importantly, don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. The AI industry is dynamic and constantly evolving. Staying adaptable and open to learning is key to success in this field. This is Dr. Samuel Adebayo signing off. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Also, drop your comments below and let us know your thoughts. Remember, the AI industry is waiting for you. Take that step today and discover a world of opportunity.